Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out why, for some reason, your card, whether it's a credit card or a pass or whatever the case is not being added to your particular Apple wallet. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part, though, is just double checking that your particular card, again, whether it's a credit card or whatever it is, you want to make sure that that particular card is completely compatible with an Apple Wallet, and you want to make sure you're scanning it in or adding it in properly. Because sometimes you can have issues where you're not adding in the card properly, or there's some issues with that side of things. So you want to make sure you're adding the card exactly how it's supposed to be by going into the wallet application, tapping onto the top right corner, and making sure you have Face ID and all that stuff set up, and then you can go through and add the card that way. If it's still not working for you, you may want to go through and just see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So you can do this by going into your settings application right here. You'll basically come into this page. Then you want to scroll down until you see this general option, which is right here. So tap into general. You then want to click on software update, which is right up here. So tap into software update, and this next page is going to come up. Now what you're going to want to do here, it really is basic. All you want to do is basically update your phone to the most recent version of software that your phone is available. So this is essentially going to allow you to go ahead and update your phone. It's going to fix a lot of issues in and of itself. And you want to go back into your wallet application and you want to see if that ends up fixing it, which probably for a vast majority of people, it might end up fixing. And that's all you're going to have to do. You can also try restarting your phone. So hold down your phone, your buttons to restart it. You want to slide the power off. You may also want to go through and try seeing if, for some reason there's a Wi-Fi connection or internet connection problem. You will need to have some sort of Wi-Fi or internet connection in order for you to, add in a card. So make sure that's the case. If it's still not working, you can try going through and calling your card provider, seeing if there's an issue with the card, which there might not be, but you can try doing it. But those are basically the main ways to go and fix the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.